Hello everyone. And today's video is about the TV unit design, its importance, and most importantly, the price range of TV units in India. If you are planning to design or renovating your living room, and this video will help to choose the perfect TV unit according to your budget. So friends, TV unit is specially designed furniture unit. The screen holds the television and related accessories like set-top boxes and speakers, gaming consoles, and decorative items. And earlier TV units were simple tables, but today they have to the becoming stylish and wall-mounted TV units with storage, lighting, and smart cable management. So friends, a well-designed TV unit added to the elegance and modern appeal to your living room. It's become the focal point of reflect your interior style and correct the TV replacement to help to reduce the neck strain and improve the viewing comfort, and especially during the long hours of watching. TV units with drawers and cabinets help to store and rotors and decor items, keeping the living room neat and clutter-free. Modern TV units hide the meshy cables behind the panels, give it a clean and professional look. Wall-mounted TV units save the floor space and making them ideal for the small Indian apartments. And a stylish TV unit enhances the overall look and interior value of your house. So friends, TV table is the basic unit, simple and affordable. These are suitable for small budgets and rental homes. The price is starting at 3,000 rupees to high-end prices of 7,000 rupees. Wall-mounted TV units, most popular choice today's homes. They save the space and give to the modern look. The price in India starting at 5,000 rupees to the going up to the 20,000 rupees. Wooden or MDF TV units provide to the warm and premium look. MDF is a budget-friendly, while solid wood is durable. So the price will be starting at 8,000 rupees to the going up to the 25,000 rupees. TV unit with storage cabinets. This best for the families who need to the extra storage along with the style. The price is starting at 12,000 rupees to going up to the 50,000 rupees. Designer and custom TV unit. These customizable designs with lightnings, glass panels or premium finishes. The price will be 30,000 rupees to going up to the 1 lakh. Sometimes factors affect the TV unit price in India, like the prices of TV units depend on the several factors. Materials like MDF, plywood, solid wood, glass, the size of the TV unit, wall mounted or floor mounted, and storage and lighting and features, city and carpenter or brand. Tips to choosing the TV unit before buying designing a TV unit. Remember these tips. Measure wall size properly and choose design according to the room size. Match the color the sofa and wall paint. Prefer unit with a cable management. Decide budget in advance. So friends, good TV unit is completely transform your living room from simple to the stylish. And TV unit is not just furniture, it is combination of comfort, storage and style. And whatever your budget is small or premium, there is perfect TV unit available for every Indian homes. If you like this video, share with your friends and comment your budget or TV size. Subscribe for more home decor ideas. And thank you for watching this video.